Lego Town, the air buzzes with excitement. Colorful banners wave in the wind as the mayor announces a brand new event, the Great Savings Race. The rules are simple. Every contestant starts with $1,000. 10 years from today, whoever grows their money the most will win the legendary Golden Brick Trophy. 3 friends step forward: Jack, May, and Ben. Jack grins confidently. "I can double this in no time." May smiles quietly, notebook in hand, already planning her strategy. Ben stuffs his bills into an envelope and says, "I'll just keep it safe." The crowd counts down as the race begins. 3 very different approaches, one goal: build wealth. In their minds, 10 years feels like a lifetime away. But the seeds of the future are planted in today's choices. Within months, Jack can't stop bragging. His trades are on fire, he flips stocks, celebrates quick wins, and posts screenshots of his growing balance. "I told you, easy money," he boasts. May, meanwhile, sets up an automatic plan, investing $100 every month without even thinking about it. Nothing dramatic happens. Her balance rises slightly, almost unnoticeably. And Ben is proud that nothing has changed at all. "At least I can see my money," he says, tapping his drawer full of bills. A year later, Jack throws a big party. New gadgets, fancy dinners, everyone cheers the investment genius. May just smiles and skips the party. While others race for speed, she's quietly building something lasting, brick by brick. Year 3 rolls in like dark clouds. The market crashes hard. Jack's once booming portfolio plunges overnight. Panic spreads through the Lego phones. Everyone's selling, everyone's scared. Jack stares at his screen, sweat dripping. "How is this possible?" he mutters. Ben feels relieved for a moment. "Good thing I didn't risk anything," he says. But inflation quietly sneaks in, raising prices around town. His once crisp bills buy fewer groceries, fewer bricks, fewer dreams. And May? She does something unexpected. She keeps investing. Each month, as prices drop, she buys more shares for the same amount. "Down markets are sales," she hums softly. Her account still looks small, but something powerful is forming underneath. Compound interest working invisibly, like gears quietly turning under solid bricks. By year 5, the friends gather again for a coffee catch-up. Jack looks tired. The constant thrill of chasing trends has drained him. "Every time I think I've figured it out, boom, I lose half again," he groans. Ben shrugs. "My money's safe, but it sure feels smaller these days." May smiles gently and shows them her portfolio on her tablet. Her balance has doubled what she invested. Nothing flashy, no crazy luck, just steady growth. "It's like the bricks are building themselves," she says. Jack frowns. "That's impossible." May just smiles and turns the screen toward him. "It's not magic," she says. "The money I made last year is now making more money for me this year. It's just my returns earning their own returns. That's compound interest, the one force that rewards patience, not risk." As steam rises from the cups, Jack and Ben sit quietly, starting to realize that maybe the race isn't about running faster, but running longer. Time keeps moving. Year 7 arrives, and Lego Town has changed. New buildings, new faces, and new opportunities. Jack, humbled, starts saving again, but his confidence is shaken. Ben finally opens an investment account, but guilt lingers over wasted years. May, on the other hand, continues her steady rhythm, $100 each month, no matter what. She watches her investment grow exponentially. Each dollar she put in years ago is now producing tiny workers of its own. Lego coins building towers on top of towers. The curve of her growth isn't straight anymore. It bends upward like a rocket. That's the magic of compound interest. The longer it works, the stronger it grows. You don't build wealth by timing the market. You build it by spending time in it. The decade finally ends, and Lego Town gathers once again in the plaza. The golden trophy shines under the spotlight as the mayor reads out the final results. Jack, after 10 years of ups and downs, ends with $1,200. Not bad, but not enough. Ben manages to keep his original $1,000, though inflation means it's worth much less now. And then comes May. Her steady monthly investments and patience have grown to more than $3,000. The crowd gasps as she accepts the golden brick trophy. "I didn't do anything special," she says shyly. "I just kept showing up." The mayor nods, "And that's exactly why you won, May. Consistency beats excitement every single time." Fireworks burst overhead, golden sparks spelling out time equals growth. When the fireworks fade and the crowd drifts away, May, Jack, and Ben stand quietly under the glowing trophy. Jack shakes his head with a small smile. "I kept chasing quick wins," he says. "Didn't realize patience was the real shortcut." Ben laughs softly. "And I thought saving meant doing nothing. Turns out time doesn't help money that just sits still." May holds the trophy close, her voice calm but firm. "It's not about being lucky or clever," she says. "It's about letting small things keep growing." For the first time, all three understand. Wealth doesn't happen fast, it happens steadily. As they leave the plaza, their laughter returns, light and easy again. The race is over, but the real lesson has just begun. Now it's your turn. You've seen how May turns small, consistent steps into something powerful. Not through luck, but through time. The same rule works for you. Pick one goal, no matter how small. Maybe it's $5 a week, maybe 10. Set it aside, invest it somewhere steady, and forget about chasing quick wins. Your challenge is simple. Stay consistent longer than your doubts. Let time prove what patience can do. A year from now, you'll see the first spark. 5 years from now, you'll see the pattern. And in 10 years, you might just hold your own golden brick trophy. The question is, will you start today or keep waiting for someday? The great savings race isn't over. It's just moving to your hands.